If you're dealing with self worth issues, you feel like you are not worthy of life, worthy of good things, then this is a very effective technique that will help you to achieve a significant self worth concept in just 21 days. Hello, beautiful soul. I am Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. Today, I will talk about a very effective yet very simple technique that will help you to develop your self concept. If you're dealing with self worth issues, you feel like good things are not for me because you face so many challenges in life, this is going to help you a lot. You could be at any stage, you could be at extreme problem, you could be in very moderate problem, or you just want to explore your own self-worth. This is a technique that will help you a lot. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Now, before doing any technique, the first thing which is required is your belief in that technique. If you feel like this will not work, if you feel like, oh, let's try, it may work, it may not work, there's a high probability it will not work. Why? Because before doing anything, if your intention is doubtful or negative, there's a high probability of the effectiveness of that technique. So the first mindset shift before doing any technique is that this is going to work. Maybe universe have sent me a sign through this video, because nothing is coincidence. People who are meant to watch this video will watch this video, and people who are meant to get this guidance will get it. So try this one. Now, step number 1. The first thing that you need to do is you need to ask yourself, what am I dealing with? What are the main issues of my life? Okay? And then write down a set of 10 affirmations. Not much, 10. For your reference, in the next shot, I will give you some reference which you can use, which you can copy, or you can write your own affirmations as well. But make sure your affirmation starts with I am, because I am is a very powerful and potent statement itself. Make sure when you're preparing your own affirmations, keep it simple, keep it easy to remember, and that you resonate with yourself. Don't force yourself with something, but that you resonate. Okay? Now, step number 2. In step 2, when your affirmations are ready, you have 2 times a day when you have to practice these affirmations. But how? First, every morning when you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, freshen up. Your job is to come in front of your mirror of your bedroom or wherever you have a mirror, and you have to aloud speak it in front of the mirror as if you are telling it to somebody. How? As a reflection of self. I am confident. I am worthy of all the best thing in the world. I am worthy of a beautiful partner. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of all the love of the universe. I am worthy of good relationships. I am worthy of earning more money in life. Yes, I am capable. So this is how, not like an interactive session. Don't do it as a robotic. Do it as an interactive session every morning right after freshen up in front of mirror. Now, step number 3. In third step, the same affirmations you are going to write every day before going to bed. So you have your journal and pen, your diary and pen prepared right beside your bed. Okay? And you're going to write all these affirmations, all these 10 affirmations that you have created in the beginning. You're going to write it before going to sleep, and that will be the last work that you will do. Last. Okay? So morning you will do your affirmations in front of the mirror, and before going to sleep you will write this affirmation. Just write it simply. So why you write? Before going to bed, if we program our mind with certain affirmations, certain positive statements, our mind, there's a high chance when we enter into the mode of sleep, our subconscious mind will take it. Initially, you will feel a little uncomfortable every day, but when you make it a habit for 7 days, you will start loving it. You will start love doing it. So You are repeatedly giving your subconscious mind a command every night before going to sleep, and you are saying the same command every morning when you wake up. Just do it as a fun, do it. Don't take any technique to be something, oh, I have to do it, this is some ritual. No. I read somewhere some verses where the subconscious mind is like a woman and the conscious mind is like a man. So how you handle a woman? Very tenderly. So you have to handle your subconscious mind like a woman, tenderly. You have to be very soft and kind. That's how you are going to program it with whatever you want to program. Now, the fourth step is, after writing, just say yourself 3 times, thank you so much, my soul. Thank you so much, my soul. Thank you so much, my soul. Isn't that simple? Yes. This is an acknowledgement and gratitude towards yourself. And then you go to sleep. That's it. Just simple 4 steps. You must practice this technique at least for 21 days. Try it for 21 days without questioning, without analysis, without your analytical mind coming in between. What will happen, whether it will happen or not. Oh, I am doing, nothing is happening. Let it come. You keep on doing it. You just keep on continuing. Just persist. Persist. If after 21 days you feel like I want to do more, do it for 45 days. And after 45 days, just let it go. At time, after 45 days, what will happen in your mind, just like a song, all these statements will keep on playing in a very remote way, automatic way. It will start playing. Because 2 very important time of a day, which is before going to sleep and just right after waking up in the morning, you are programming your subconscious mind. So after 45 days, if you let it go, you will see a significant change in your own concept. You will see a shift of energy in you. And if you want to do more such thing about your career, money, relationship, you can try it after 45 days. You can try something else. Make a 10 affirmations and keep on doing the similar things. You will see magnificent result after 45 days. So first try for 21 days and then you can stretch it to 45 days. I want you all to take this challenge for 21 days or 45 days and write it in the comments. I am taking this divine healing challenge and I will know my army is set to reprogram them and set to realize their self-worth. That was today's video. To subscribe this channel if you're watching me for the first time, like this video, share this video with someone who need to watch it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.